art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw acid from Incredibox Sprunki Pyramixed. So first let's get started by drawing in our head. So moving slightly over towards the left-hand side of our page from the center, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle for our head. Now coming down on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in another circle for our left eye. And then we're going to move across on the right and just replicate that. Now in the middle on our left eye, we're going to draw in a small circle. Now on the right hand side underneath our eye, we're going to draw in two curved lines that come down. Let's step further up again, leaving a gap. Let's replicate that. And then we'll draw that again one more time. Now for the mouth, we're going to connect this by curving this line all the way around and over towards the right. Let's draw in our ears now. So from the center, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And now from that point, we're going to bring this line down and then in. Now from here on the top, let's draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then from that point, we're going to bring this line back in towards the middle. Let's replicate that one more time, drawing in a small diagonal line coming down towards the bottom. And then again, we're going to bring this line in towards our chin. Now for the body, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out on both sides. And then we're going to close this off with a straight line from left to right. Now for the tail, let's bring this line out, up, and then over. We'll continue to extend this around and then in. Now from here, we're going to connect this to the bottom. So we're going to curve this down, in, and then back up towards the center of our body. And that is it. That's how you draw acid in Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.